Hey everyone, it's Ryan with Air Dragon Drones, and today we are doing smoke bomb photography. Okay, we're going to do the smoke bomb photography, but first we need cups. A small caramel brevet cup. Hey everybody, we're headed out to the location. We got the model Amber Wojcik here with us. Make sure you check her out. Where can they find you?
Yeah, my website is amberwojcik.com. I'm really excited to be working with Air Dragon Drones.
Woo.
Yeah, we got some exciting stuff we're doing today.
Hopefully we get some good footage. Here we go. Cheers. These boots are very fashionable. So here we go. We got our model getting ready, Amber Wojcik, and I got my camera assistant, Emma. And these are the smoke bombs we're using today, EG. It's the only brand I've ever used, but they really produce a good, deep smoke, and it looks really cool on video and pictures. So we're going to see how it goes today. I'm going to do a little bit of photography with it and some videos, so here we go. Now I'm just we're here and we're gonna do smoke bomb photography. But instead of pulling the pin on one and starting right away, it's best to get your settings set beforehand, because you have around 60 to 90 seconds of smoke once you pull that pin. So it's a good thing to take a couple seconds before you pull that and get everything set that you want to get set, and go over any movements that you want your model to do. Go over that with her beforehand. So I think I got this in, and I think we are ready to start our first smoke bomb. All right, here we go. First one. We will have the model pull it out. What you do, you want to make sure when you do these that you do not pull them out on the top. You want to pull them straight out to the side. When you have your model hold them, you don't want to be doing a death grip like this. You want to be holding it towards the bottom. If it does get hot, and they will get hot, it will get hot here in the center of it, and it stays cool on the bottom, or cooler. So just make sure you go over all this with your model or whoever you're having do it. So, and another thing is, don't be pulling it out here, because sparks will shoot out at first. It is fire, it burns internally, but obviously you don't want sparks to be shooting in your face. They recommend wearing gloves and safety goggles, but not too many photographers want their model to be having big goggles on. So, so just have them be careful. You can even have it, if you have a camera assistant helping you, you can have them do it and then hand it to the model, and you're set to go with the camera. So here we go. Okay, now we've done already a session with one. With her, I gave the smoke bomb to Amber, and she moved it around. One thing you want to do with your movements is not make them very fast. Especially we got a nice calm day, which we're very thankful for. You don't want a lot of wind that can just mess with your photos. But you want to be moving this, have your model and instruct her or him to be moving it slowly. Make some slow motions. I had her crossing it in front of her face. and then doing some circle motions and then dipping down. Get some movement with these. And just, they don't stain your clothes. If you're holding them and pointing them right at you, they will stain. But I've used them several times. I haven't had any problems with them staining clothes. I did use them on a wedding shoot. The bride was in white, of course. Orange we used that day, and it didn't stain her clothes. But just you want to be careful and tell the model or clients that there is a possibility. But as of now, I haven't had it. But also, another thing we can do is mix it up a little. You don't always have to have the model holding the thing. Mix it up, make it interesting, make it more photogenic. And we're going to try this. I just bought this today, and we're going to try this little bird cage, I guess. I bought it for my pet eagle. But we're going to try putting this in here and seeing how that looks. So we're going to give it a try. Alright, we just got the last shots, last smoke bomb, and I think we got all the shots that we needed for today. Now we'll head back and try to make it look good on the computer. So our last shot was a drone shot. A little tricky, we only had one left. We had a dud, and you do get duds in them. I haven't tried it yet, but somebody said that you can peel off the top layer and that there's a wick in there that you can light. I haven't tried it yet, but I might try it with this one. They do cost quite a bit. For 6 of them, I spent $91 some. The smoke bombs aren't that much, but the thing that kills you is the shipping. It's $29 for shipping because it's a hazmat shipping. So just take that into consideration. If you're going to order some, order quite a few. You have to pay that shipping regardless, so you might as well get quite a few. And the more you order, the more of a deal that they come down in price. They have all different kinds of colors. We did all red today because we thought it looked good with the model wearing black, and with the white snow we thought red would be good. Amber, show them your hands.
Yeah.
They do get a little red. Was there any pain or anything?
No.
Okay.
They don't even get that hot up top.
Yes.
I mean, some of them might get hotter, but...
So, and like we already said, they get really hot after, which is weird. So just keep that. Don't throw them into the garbage right after you're done with them because they'll heat up. Could be a fire hazard. But overall, I think it was a success, and we will see you later. Alright, so we had a great day, great weather.
Yeah, we did.
We had low wind, which was very nice for doing the smoke grenades. I just wanted to say, hey, thanks Amber Wojcik, our model for today. I'm going to have her link to her website in the description down below, so make sure you check her out.
Yes.
And that's it. Peace. Hey everyone, just a couple things in closing. Shipping, I ordered these on Sunday and I got them by the next Thursday. They come FedEx. I live in Green Bay, Wisconsin, so I think the shipping's pretty good, comes pretty fast. Another thing is I was going to have the model pull the pin on the smoke grenade, smoke bomb, but she was really struggling doing it and she couldn't do it. So just so you're aware of that, it does take a little bit of strength to pull that pin out, and so just keep that in the back of your mind. I'm going to try to have the link down below to check out the finished video that he did from this shoot. You can check that out, and check me out on Instagram, Facebook, and my website, airdragondrone.com. Thanks.